Okay, here it is. '05 Suzuki Boulevard S40. Gonna do a walk around. There's the exhaust. There's that tail light I was talking about. Seat. Fresh oil. No leaks, no oil leaks, no gas leaks. I have the cover that goes right here. I haven't put it back on. New brake pads. Plenty of tread left on the tires. Those are the pegs I was talking about. I took the belt cover off because it was huge and bad looking, but I still have it. This thing hasn't been started in a few days. See, it's cold, so I'm gonna start it up now. Pull the choke. It's on reserve. I need to get gas.